So hi everyone, we're going to have some fun today, okay? So this is for my wig lovers, wig slayers, everyone who loves these beautiful units. I'm going to show you something awesome to do with them, and I'm not going to, I'm going to say awesome. I'm just going to more or less new to do with them because, this, this hat wig thing that is just going around, like I tell my grandkids, it's not new, okay? It's just been repopulated because it's been popular since the 80s, in case you didn't know, since the 80s. But I'm going to show you how to take these units, that everyone has because you have more than one. You have a lot sitting around just like I do. And I'm going to show you how to poof, and watch. Okay, so let's get going. Okay, let's get going. Yes. These are the items you will need to create this awesome look. Any wig that you already have. Of course, your cap. You're going to need your needle and thread and a pair of scissors. Easy, breezy. Everyone has units laying around. Over the inside of the cap, your straps. We're going to remove those straps. You're going to also cut off this tag. Let me cut off the straps. Let me take these straps off. And we're going to take and see the inside, this round part up here at the top. You're going to cut that, follow that, just like it is. Now you can pull some of the hair out if you choose to, but we're going to cut that off. Because you basically just want to make this into more or less of a strip of hair, which you will see in a minute. There's a top loop going. You can pull any hairs that are not hooked to it later. You're going to take the bottom where the tag is, and I did say cut off. You don't really have to cut it off because you're going to cut this off anyway. Because as you can see with a wig, it goes into like a hump, not a hump, a fold to fit on the back of your neck. So we're going to take that. See what this is? We're going to cut a line above. We're going to cut that off as well. And boom, that's off. And look, this is what we have left. A line. A line. This is all you're going to need. Just a line. Cut and made our line, our one strip. Here's the fun part, the hat. Take your hat, put it on a mannequin, wrong side. See how it's over. In the majority of hats, they have the flips on them. Thing on the inside. You also, you have the hole in it, so you can, adjust your caps on your head. You're gonna just close that off and see where this loop is. This is what we're going to do. You're going to take that strip of hair you've cut. You're going to turn it the right side to the cap. See what it holds? You're going to go like a couple of centimeters over, and it's going to look like that. So you're going to get your pins. Going to get your, well, I use my stick pins, and we're going to hook it here. Like I said, a couple of centimeters over that opening, put that there, and down there. How easy that was, right there where the flip is, so it can go all the way around your head. Look at that. Okay. Sorry it cut off, but right here, we're up to the opening part. You see the part that opens, see that strip that goes around? You're going to take that hair and sew it right there on that strip so you won't see any seams on the outside. And after, if you haven't cut off the combs, cut off the combs, because I cut them off when I finished it, and I trimmed the lace a little as well. So, we're almost at the end. Short hair, there you go, boom. Oh, look, if you're that beanie hat type of girl. So, what did you think? Look at that. Something to do with those units that we all have. You know, some that we've reviewed and things like that, you know, the hairline. It was just all wrong. Okay, the lace didn't fit from ear to ear. Or if you're like me, you know, I'm a left swoop kind of girl and the wig was to the right side. Okay, something to do with those units that are just laying around. You can get this wig cap thing popping, because you know, like your mama always said, use what you got. Use what you got. You have your hats, you have your wigs, you have some needle and thread. Get to cutting so you can have a new style. Okay, a new style that's becoming, like I say, repopulated again, because it was popular in the 80s. Then it came back in the 90s. Then it kind of disappeared, you know, in the late 90s, and it popping back up in the 20s. This is 2020, and it's popping back up, okay? So, use those units. Look at that. Look, this is what, look, this is what. It's a new unit. Wow. Like, nothing but the cap, nothing but the cap. Throw it on. Go do what you got to do. Come back home and you can just pull it off. You don't have to unglue anything, untie anything, pull clips or whatever out. Okay? I am just going to be popping, and you saw, I mean, I have all my units under caps for every different occasion. Even the fall is coming, I'm going to be cute with my beanie and my hair hooked on. So, thanks for watching, and I'll see you in the next video. Mwah. Bye, everyone. I hope you enjoyed it. And by the way, if you make any, tag me. Tag me on my IG. Let me see how yours is looking. Okay? Mwah. Bye.